Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to change pen settings in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer and select the pen tool. See this pen tool option, shape and fill color, stroke color, black, and see this path. Click again new layer and add a path. Apply this pen tool, use path and click the use the selection. Okay, again create a new layer, press Ctrl D, mask, shape, again create a new layer, click the shape, stroke and stroke options, stroke style, align, caps, stroke size, white, height and alignment, auto add, delete, align it. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment.